Hi everyone, it's the Night of Jewels ladies here. We're here to tell you a little bit about Saturday night.
We're just going to go through very quickly the website where you get onto the Night of Jewels Gala virtual. So first you're going to go to
bidpal.net/KOJ2021.
Then you're going to scroll down and register for the live event. Once you've done that,
once I'm signed up, how do I view the live auctions?
Then you're just going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to go to the live auction preview. Here you can see all the great live auction items that we will be auctioning the night of.
Those look great. How do I buy a raffle ticket?
You're going to go back to the Night of Jewels tab 2021. And then you're just going to scroll down and it'll say purchase raffle tickets. Once you've hit that button, then you'll be able to see all the raffle ticket items that we're offering.
Now remember, guys,
give like a night.